Okay, question C now. So this equation is the equation of circle if what? Okay, so if you want to figure out an equation of circle, the nice form of it is the form I've written down there. Which is, of course, you could see the center and the radius from there. So x minus a squared plus 1 minus b squared equals r squared, where a, b is the center, the coordinates of the center, and r is the radius. Okay, so so let's try to transform this equation into this form, so we could deal with it easily. Okay, and how do we do that normally? So we complete the square, classic trick in the book. So x minus 2k all squared plus, okay, well let me do this the normal way, or how people normally do it. Can't rub this off for some reason, either way. So minus 2k squared plus y minus 2 squared minus 2 squared plus 8 equals to k cubed minus k. Okay, alright, now I'm going to chuck everything, these things all to the right hand side. Okay, so then I'll get the form that I like. Equals k cubed minus 4k squared minus k minus 4, is it? No, it's plus 4k squared. There you go, don't make mistakes with algebra like I did. Alright, so now what makes a circle? We got to make sure that this expression here is greater than 0. How come? Because the right hand side is r squared. Right? If this thing is less than 0, then it doesn't make sense, right? Because r squared has got to be greater than 0. And also, this is not equal to 0. Because if it's equal to 0, then your radius is 0, which sort of doesn't make too much sense. So you want to make sure that this is greater than 0. Alright, and these are the coordinates of your center, and you generally don't care where the center is, right? You just want the circle to exist. Okay, so the cubic is greater than 0. And by eye, or by observation, you see that k equals to 1 is a root to this equation. You want to factorize this cubic, right? So k minus 1 is the first thing. Okay, so what's the second bracket then? Well, I got to make k cubed happen, so I must have k squared here. Now here, I have negative k squared. Okay, negative k squared, right? But in reality, this is plus 4k squared, so I need to plus 5k to compensate. Okay, so now I have negative 5k, but then in reality, I have negative k only. So I got a plus 4 to compensate. And if you check the constants, negative 1 times 4 is indeed negative 4. So happy days there. Alright, so that's greater than 0, and then this quadratic is easy to factorize. K plus 1, k plus 4, greater than 0. Okay, so I've got the 3 roots of the cubic, so I can plot it. Or sketch it rather, I suppose. Okay, so where are my roots? Negative 1, negative 4, and 1. Okay, this is a positive cubic, and it has 3 roots. So it has to look something like this. Something along these lines. Okay, so when is this greater than 0? You know that greater than 0 means that it's above the x-axis, right? Because the y value is greater than 0. So, therefore your k must be in, just by reading the graph, negative 4 to negative 1, and k can also be greater than 1. And then you'll be done. Okay, let's check the options. Which one would it be? And it would be B. There we go.